guys, I'm Miss Samantha and today we're making slime. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a full bottle of glue, some baking soda, and contact solution. And then you'll also need a bowl. So I just have this glass bowl here, something to mix with, and some measuring spoons. First things first, we need to pour the whole bottle of glue into the bowl. Okay, and once you've done that, then you're going to take a tablespoon of baking soda, put it in with your glue, and then you're going to take whatever you're using to stir and mix it together until it becomes smooth. And then, I forgot to mention this before, but if you want to put food coloring to make it another color, that's optional, but I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna take my food coloring, I have blue, and I'm going to put just maybe like 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2. And then you're gonna mix that in too. Okay, and now I have this pretty blue here. And now our last thing, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of contact solution. And now you're gonna wanna do this separate, so I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon at first. I'm gonna pour that in, mix it up. And this is what's gonna make it come together like slime, so you're gonna wanna do it slowly. See, now it's all sticking together. You see that? I'm gonna do just a little bit more. Okay, now for the fun part. Are you guys ready? You're gonna pick up your slime, and you're gonna rub it together in your hands for a minute or 2 and get it really put together. And there you have it, your slime. I hope you enjoy your slime. I hope you make lots of cool colors. If you make anything cool with it, drop us a picture in the comments. And we'll hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.